We're moving on to my host pick. This is beautiful. This is one of your 4 diamond jewelry essentials. Your diamond studs, your diamond pendant, your diamond ring, and your diamond tennis bracelet. Essentially, you never ever have to take these off. You wear them with your birthday suit, your bathing suit, your wedding dress, your little black dress. You never have to take them off, Norm.
I heard you say that. Okay, so there you go. It is perfect, really, in 3 different lengths for the same price, amazingly enough. The 6 3/4 inch, the 7.5 inch, and the 8 1/4 inch. I mean, as you can see why this is your pick of the hour, it really is universal for just about everybody.
Yeah.
And the size of the stones, too. Those are 2mm Diamonelle stones. Very believable. Now, we're not trying to fool anybody here. We always tell you exactly what you're getting. But honestly, somebody looks at that looks like a diamond bracelet. It really does. That's a believable look.
Yeah, no, it absolutely is. And under $70, 100% it's believable. Yeah. And, you know, if that's what you're missing in your diamond jewelry wardrobe, no one's going to know this is Diamonelle. I mean, this looks, you know, if it looks like a duck and quacks like a duck, you know, I mean, but I mean, this is what's beautiful about it. Now, we have 6 3/4 inch, 7.5 inch, and then we also have 8 inch as well.
Yeah, definitely, and a nice, easy opening closure on that, too. It's very secure and stable. Box and tongue style, where you pinch with one hand and simply pull it open. It's a box and tongue closure. You've got the option of the 23-carat solid gold on sterling silver. That's gold plate, 23-carat gold on sterling silver, or the rhodium to give you that frosty, icy look. If you like the warmth, though, of the gold, this might be the one for you right here. There's that clasp. Look how smooth and brightly finished that is. You can see the little tab on the far side that you'll be pinching. Let's see if I can do this here. Just pinch it and it opens, and then you slide it in and it sort of clicks into place. Whoop, there we go. Yeah. Nice like that for you. Beautiful. Very, very beautiful.
Wow. All of the details, I mean, everything in Diamonelle is made with a meticulous attention to detail, and you'll notice that. Not many people know that because they collect it, and this is very affordably easy collectible jewelry. And it's, you know, and I think when you get it home and you see the quality and go, wow, this really is built to last. I mean, literally. When you see that it is the precious metal we call sterling silver with rhodium plating or yellow gold plating, and then of course the sparkle of each Diamonelle stone. So, you know, this is, again, you're going to be able to get the look without breaking the bank.
And these always are full, brilliant cuts. Remember that with Diamonelle. They don't do single cuts.
No.
You know, in diamonds, generally, with a cluster, sometimes you can end up with single cut jewelry, which is like 17, 18, 19 facets maybe. Wherever you see the rounds, it's always a full, brilliant 58 facet. So on a bracelet like that, that's amazing.
Yeah, I mean, it's quite, I mean, hand cut, hand polished, hand set.